Bad sectors on a hard drive or SSD can be frustrating. They can corrupt files, slow down performance, and even cause permanent data loss. But don't worry, today I'll explain what bad sectors are, why they appear, and 3 proven methods that you can use to repair or work around them. A bad sector, sometimes called a bad block, is simply an area of your storage device that can't be reliably read or written. While they can appear on both HDDs and SSDs, they are much more common on hard drives because of their moving parts. Now, it's important to understand that not all bad sectors are the same. Soft or logical bad sectors are caused by data or file system errors, and they can usually be fixed. But hard or physically bad sectors come from physical damage, like a head crash or a drop, and those can't be repaired. The only option is to mark them as unusable so your system avoids them. So, what causes bad sectors to appear? A few common reasons include physical damage from drops or shocks, normal wear and tear of drive's moving parts, disk malfunctions or head misalignment, overheating and poor cooling, or even electromagnetic interference disrupting the read and write process. Over time, it's normal for drives to accumulate some bad sectors. But if they start spreading quickly, that's a warning sign the drive is failing. Before you try to fix bad sectors, one very important warning. Always back up your data first. The repair methods we're about to cover may override sectors, and that can result in partial or even total data loss. If the information is important, clone the disk before you do anything else. First up, we have Victoria for Windows. Victoria is a powerful diagnostic tool that can scan your hard drive surface and attempt different repair strategies. Erase will zero-fill damaged sectors, repairing them but making the original data unrecoverable. Remap will try to move the data from bad sectors to spare ones, which is best if you want to preserve files. Refresh rereads and rewrites data in the same sector, sometimes fixing minor errors. Simply download Victoria, go to the Test and Repair section, choose your method and run the scan. I've done a detailed video on the best hard disk repair software. You can also watch it and find a good tool to fix bad sectors on your HDD or SSD. Moving on to the second method. You can use CHKDSK command. Windows comes with its own tool, CHKDSK. Open command prompt as an administrator and type CHKDSK space X /R. Replace X with the drive letter of your disk you want to check. The /R switch scans for bad sectors, attempts to recover data, and marks any hard ones as off limits. This is the simplest built-in option for repairing logical bad sectors. If you want the most thorough method, you can do a full format. This overwrites every sector on the disk with zeros, forcing the system to identify and relocate any bad ones. To do this, open Disk Management, right-click the affected volume, and select Format. Choose your file system. Uncheck Quick Format and confirm. Remember, this erases absolutely everything on the drive, so it should only be done after backing up. Once repairs are complete, don't trust that drive with important data. A drive that has developed bad sectors is unstable, and it's very likely that new ones will appear. Keep monitoring its health using tools like Crystal Disk Info, and if the bad sector count continues to grow, migrate your files and replace the drive. In short, soft bad sectors can often be repaired. Hard bad sectors cannot. Use Victoria or CHKDSK for repair, and a full format for the most thorough reset. But always remember, the best protection against bad sectors is a good backup strategy. I hope this guide helped you understand and repair bad sectors on your drive. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor for more tech fixes. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and keep your data safe.